How to repost someone's story on Instagram. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Now move into the story of the person that you want to repost. Now let's say you want to repost this picture. Tap on this icon at the bottom right corner. Over here you can see there is no any feature or the option where you can repost this story. So what else you can do is simply take the screenshot of the picture that you want to repost to your story. Once you have taken the screenshot, go back and head over to your home page. Swipe right and move into the story section. Move into the gallery at the bottom left corner. Now select the screenshot that you have just taken before. Over here you can zoom in or zoom out and adjust the picture. Once you are done, tap on this text icon at the top. You need to mention the profile of the person that you have taken the screenshot of, because it's inappropriate to repost the story of the person without their acknowledgement. Once you have mentioned the person, tap on your story at the bottom left corner. There you go, you can see that the story has been reposted successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can repost someone else's story on Instagram. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.